We had a case where the video that had been produced to us by the defendant was in fact grainy, very shady. It was broken. It would not, you couldn't fast forward or stop it for a frame by frame.
When we contacted Forensic Video Law, they first said, oh yeah, we can easily convert this over for y'all, making it a lot easier to navigate through.
Size-wise, having to only show a portion of your screen and ask somebody to see it when you're deposing them remotely was a very difficult task. By being able to blow it up and make it full screen video, make it higher resolution, it made everything go smoother.
In a deposition of one of the eyewitnesses, we simply showed the enhanced video and asked if that accurately and truly depicted the scene as it appeared that day. And the answer was yes.
All of the foundational questions were answered without objection, and the video was then able to be navigated and played. It was referred to factually, and at the end of the deposition, it was entered into evidence.
It gave us the tools to be able to get to a good settlement in the end. If we had been forced to just use what the defendant was trying to force upon us, I don't even want to think about that situation.
The case ultimately did resolve for a much larger value than it had initially been perceived as.
If you've got a video in a case and there's any question about its quality, the manner in which it was preserved, you call Forensic Video Law.